Picture this. What if the key to manifesting your dreams lies not in striving for them, but rather in living as if they are already yours? Have you ever pondered the profound concept of assuming you already possess your deepest desires? It's a notion that challenges the conventional wisdom of goal setting and ambition. Enter Neville Goddard, a luminary in the realm of manifestation and the law of attraction. In a world inundated with notions of chasing goals and grasping for success, Neville's philosophy offers a refreshing perspective, a shift in mindset that could revolutionize the way you approach your aspirations. Instead of fixating on lack and yearning, Neville advocates for the power of assumption, the art of embodying the reality you wish to create as if it's already here. It's a concept that's both simple and profound, requiring a leap of faith and a willingness to let go of limiting beliefs. But how do you embody the essence of your desires before they materialize? How do you navigate the fine line between wishful thinking and genuine belief? These are the questions we'll explore together as we delve into the fascinating journey of assuming you already have your desire. Join me as we unlock the secrets to manifesting your dreams into reality, guided by the timeless wisdom of Neville Goddard. Welcome, beautiful souls. I'm here today to deliver a groundbreaking revelation that could completely change your life. You are a God with creative ability. This is a concrete, factual truth, and I'm not talking in a metaphorical or spiritual sense. Similar to God, you have the ability to use the power of your thoughts to manifest anything you choose. Philosopher Neville Goddard dared to expose the deep consequences of assumption, showing how our steadfast conviction that we are the owners of our wishes directs the course of our life. While Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption are often associated with the law of attraction, he viewed them as distinct concepts. He believed the law of attraction, which posits that we attract what we focus on, only scratches the surface of our mental potential. According to Goddard, mere positive thoughts and affirmations aren't enough. We must also transform our deep-seated assumptions about ourselves and our reality. This is where the law of assumption becomes vital. According to Neville Goddard, the law of assumption is the primary force governing the manifestation of your desires. He argued that the law of attraction is secondary and only effective when aligned with the law of assumption. Goddard emphasized that the law of attraction is the effect, while the law of assumption is the cause. But how do you assume you already have your desire when your current reality seems to contradict it? Keep watching, as I'm about to reveal the secret of how to accomplish this. The law of assumption operates by harnessing the power of your imagination and emotions to impress your subconscious mind with your desired reality. Your subconscious mind, devoid of reasoning or judgment, accepts and reflects your dominant beliefs and assumptions as truth. Therefore, to change your external reality, you must first transform your internal world. This begins by assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, imagining you already possess your desire and embodying the corresponding emotions. Sorry for the interruption, but here's a game changer. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Now, onto the latest findings. Jim Carrey, the renowned actor and comedian, exemplified this approach during his Hollywood struggles. He wrote himself a $10 million check dated Thanksgiving 1995, carrying and visualizing it daily as though already achieved. Acting as a successful actor, Carrey landed his breakthrough role in Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, in 1994, followed by a $10 million offer for Dumb and Dumber in 1995, exactly as he envisioned. By following such examples, you create a new state of consciousness and reality through the law of assumption. Your envisioned reality must manifest physically because it is already true in your consciousness. To make this process easier, here are 3 simple steps to apply the law of assumption and swiftly manifest your desires. Step 1. Choose your desire carefully. What do you truly yearn to manifest? Whether it's financial abundance, a dream home, true love, improved health, or profound success and happiness, select a desire that genuinely excites and fulfills you. The possibilities are limitless. constrained only by your imagination. Ensure your desire is something you authentically desire, not what others or societal expectations impose upon you. Your desire should evoke excitement, passion, and joy. Once you've selected your desire, write it down in a clear and positive manner. For instance, if you seek more wealth, you could write, "I am wealthy and abundant, with more than enough money to live the life of my dreams." Similarly, for a loving relationship, "I am in a happy, harmonious relationship with my soulmate. We deeply love and respect each other." The second step is crucial and powerful. Assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. This step activates the law of assumption, impressing your subconscious mind with your new reality. To do this effectively, envision yourself already possessing your desire and feel the corresponding emotions. One effective technique is the "I remember when" method, taught by Neville Goddard. Recall a time when you lack your desire and contrast it with the present moment of fulfillment. For example, "I remember when I struggled with bills, and now I have more than enough to live my dream life." Say these affirmations with conviction and feeling, as though they are currently true. Feel gratitude, joy, relief, confidence, and love associated with having your desire. Let these emotions resonate in your body, heart, and soul, because you are indeed creating your reality through imagination and feeling. The third and final step is persistence in your assumption. Maintain the feeling of your wish fulfilled and act as if you already possess it until it manifests physically. Refuse to let doubt, fear, or negativity interfere. Trust unequivocally in the law of assumption. It is a law that works consistently for everyone. Live from the end result, not from the middle. Act as if your desire is already yours, regardless of current circumstances. Your present reality is a reflection of past assumptions, not future ones. Embrace the challenge and trust in the 3 simple steps we discussed to transform your reality. To enhance effectiveness, remember, ignore your current reality. Your imagination is the true reality. Focus on your desired state and accept everything that happens as part of the manifestation process. Return to your assumption whenever doubt arises. Reinforce it through affirmations, visualization, or subliminal messages. Proclaim affirmations to reinforce belief and confidence. For instance, "I am confident and fearless. I am worthy and deserving of my desires." Or, "I am living my wish fulfilled." Embrace and address fears and doubts directly. Don't avoid or suppress them. Release negativity to make space for positive, empowering thoughts. By following these guidelines, you'll see your dreams manifest. Choose your desire, assume its fulfillment, and persist in your assumption. Thank you for embarking on this incredible journey with me, diving into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard and the transformative power of assumption. Remember, within you lies the boundless potential to manifest your wildest dreams into reality. As we explored the principles of assumption, envisioning your desires as already fulfilled, I urge you to embrace this mindset shift and unleash the creative force within. By choosing your desires with clarity, assuming their fulfillment with unwavering faith, and persisting in this belief, you can align yourself with the universe's abundant flow. So, as you continue on your path, I encourage you to embody the essence of your dreams, to live as if they are already yours. If you found value in this exploration, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering insights and practical techniques to manifest the life you truly desire. Together, let's co-create a reality filled with joy, abundance, and limitless possibilities. Stay inspired, stay committed, and keep manifesting your dreams into existence. Thank you for being a part of this transformative journey.